first thing you're gonna want is 2 of these 2x4 skinnies in yellow. Place them on top like that, and you form that. Next, get a 1x4 tile, place it on top like that. Next you want a 2x4 skinny in yellow. Place that on top. So you should have a bit of a gap like that. Next we're going to create this little assembly. So this is an upside down curve bit in black. So you want that. Grab that. Place it in the gap there. Next, you want one of these cold pieces, place it in there, a light grey tube, then a red Technic pin, like that, and you want another tube, like that, except make sure it's curved, and place it on like that. Then finally, attach it to the assembly. Now you can angle this in whatever direction you want. I usually angle mine like that. Next you want one of these in yellow with a hole going through the middle, and make sure this is a friction Technic pin, because otherwise you won't be able to position Scoop's arms without them flopping down by themselves. So, we want 2 of these bracket pieces. Place one there and one there. This is going to form the front of Scoop's face. Next, you want a 2x4 skinny in yellow, and then jumper plates. One there, one there, one there. Hopefully you guys remember what jumper plates look like. If not, then I'll just show you. They look like that. Then 2 tiles, 1x1 tiles in yellow, like that, and make sure the double is facing upwards and the single is facing down. So I need one of these in light grey. Next you want one of these in white with a stud in the middle, which replaces that 1x1 round tile in black, and place that on top. Create 2 of them, just like that. Next, Scoop's mouth. So, you want 3 of these grill pieces, like that, and a 2x3 tile in black, or skinny in black. And what you're going to do is simply place the grill pieces, make sure they're facing down like this, otherwise it won't line up. But yeah, like that. And then you see that little piece there in the middle? That's where you want to attach the middle stud. You're going to grab the eyes, and you see the very end hole there. You want to place it on the very end like that. So that should be Scoop's face mostly done. Okay, next on the list we want a 2x4 skinny in yellow. Place that on top. Finally, 2 2x4 tiles in yellow, and place them on top. Next, we want to create this little assembly. So this is actually a pretty simple assembly. So you want one of these in yellow. Then you want one of these in yellow, but make sure there's a hole going through it. Place that there. Next, tile in yellow. Place it on top. And then finally, these tube pieces with some pins going through them. The little connection pieces like that. Place one on both sides and make sure this whole bit is facing to the side. Like that. Next, we want one of these yellow circle pins and another one of these. Place that in and then make sure this is facing to the side like that, as you can see, and finally attach it to the rest of the model, making sure that is on its side. Create two of them. Next, we're going to build Scoop's bucket. So this is going to be a bit of a dissection part because it's kind of annoying. So you want a 4x6 base plate in yellow, 1x3 skinny in yellow, and a 1x1 tile in yellow. Have one of these circle bits placed upside down so it rolls smoothly on the carpet and keeps Scoop's bucket above the ground. Get that. Next is another quick little assembly. 1x4 tile. Make that a 2x4 tile like that. Then have one of these black circle bits at the bottom like that, and place that together like that. Okay, next you want a 1x4 tile in yellow, and you want to place this there and there, holding all that together. So that would be attached as well if that was 2x4. Next we want one of these with a yellow cheese slope going on top. Create two of those, one for this side and one for the other side. Now for the sides, we want a 1x1 brick with another 1x1 brick, but this time with a stud facing out. You want to place that right there. So we need a bracket piece that's facing upside down. Well, it's facing on its bottom like that. 1x1 brick in yellow, 1x1 skinny in yellow. Play like that, it should line up like that. Place that entire assembly on there. Next, we want one of these in yellow with a hole at the back. 1x2 tile in yellow. Place it like that, and place that like that, and it should line up nice and flush with the side. Next, you want a 1x2 brick in yellow. Place that like that, and boom, create another one of those. So create another one of these again, like that. Then have this whole assembly, which was the same as last time, and place that like that. There you go. Now you got two of those. Next, we want one of those in yellow, the curve in yellow. I'm sure it's 2x2, 1x2 skinny in yellow. Place it at the bottom. Create two of these, and make sure the curve is angling downwards. Okay, next you want 3 of these curves in yellow, like this. Place 3 of them together, and a 1x3 tile in yellow, place on top. Get 2 more of them with a 1x2 tile in yellow, and place on top, like that. Next, we want one of these angle bits in yellow with a 1x1 round piece in black, like that. And get another one, but make sure it's the opposite wing, so it's opposite. Or, oops, for this side. Hoping I got that around the right way. Otherwise that'll be bad. Next, we want one of these. So, 1x1 brick in yellow, 1x1 brick in yellow with a 1x1 skinny in yellow, but make sure this brick has the stud pointing out. Create one of those and place it on the side like that. So next, we want 1x8 skinny in yellow, like that. And then make this a 1x3 of these little wall bits, because that way you'll get rid of that little wall, which eventually I'll do. Then this is a 1x4 of those walls, like that, and a 1x2 of those walls. Place all that together like that, then flip it upside down, place it on that. So you should get that whole assembly. Next, want to create another one of these assemblies. As you can see, the one with the hole out there. One of those. Then finally, bracket piece, 1x4 skinny tile in yellow, 1x3 tile in yellow. Place that on top to form that assembly. Then push that into there like that. And finally, so guys, make sure it's facing down like that. Now you can attach it like that. Once that's done, grab the bucket, take one of these ends off, place this end bit on this stud like that, grab the other end and place them together to form that. That should be able to be angled up and down, creating that assembly. And voila, that's Scoop's bracket done. So, grab all the assemblies you made, some axles with 4 of these in yellow, place this first assembly onto Scoop, grab one of these pins with a stopper at the end to get it in line with the hole, slide it through like that, and do it to the other side as well. Finally, get one of the yellow circle bits and slide it on like that. Once you've done that, then do it the other side, grab your other assemblies, place it together like that, and then yeah, there you go, it's all done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!